A massive earthquake has been reported from Assam. The intensity 6.7 on the Richter scale at 7:51 a.m. Epicenter Tezpur. Here's some news that we get from Assam. Massive earthquake with intensity of 6.7 on the Richter scale at 7:51 a.m. precisely when the earthquake has occurred. The epicenter at Tezpur, as per reports. Tezpur, Assam witnesses an earthquake with the intensity of 6.7 on the Richter scale at 7:51 a.m. just moments ago is what the reports coming in now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.